Hey there, hope you're doing well. I just found out something pretty cool about the LS430 key programming for locking and unlocking the doors. How you can simply change those settings using your smart key on your 04 to 06 LS430. So right now, I want to get in this car. See, all the doors are locked. Walk up the smart key, grab the handle. It opens up just my driver door. So that's the current setting, meaning whatever door you're next to, when you touch the handle, it's going to only open that door. But you can change it to open all doors regardless. So the way to do that is press and hold the lock and the trunk button on your remote and hold those simultaneously together for 5 seconds and you should hear a beep. Now you see this little symbol, it shows all doors opening. So now I'll test it again. All the doors are locked. Walk up and you'll see over there that door is unlocked. This one's obviously unlocked. So now all doors unlock. So that's a feature that you may want if you have another person who always complains they have to wait for you to get in the car, unlock, whatever. You have to hit the button twice. It's just instant. It is a security feature, so it's something that you may want to think about, because every time you open the car, it's opening all the doors. So, you can also make it to where the doors on the side that you go to grab all open, only those doors on that side, the front and rear. And that's basically, you'll hold these buttons down again. 3, 4, 5. So now it shows 2 doors on the same side. So I don't really think I want that setting. I really just want the driver's side door only. But it's something pretty neat, and I just found this out. So did a little search, and ChatGPT was giving me some information back, but it wasn't working. And then I went on to the Lexus Owners Club and Facebook and found it. I also found the info in my owner's manual, which I'll leave a picture of at the back of this video. This is something that some people think they need to go to the dealer for, but you don't. You can do this at home. Stay tuned for more LS430 content. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.